Ano nga ba ang trabaho ng mga financial advisor? Nauuso na ang career na pagiging financial advisor or life insurance advisors. So, what are the roles if you enter this lucrative career? Number one is to attend training. Your goal is to be a competent and professional advisor to your clients. Hindi lang magbenta. So, I always compare this career to being a doctor. People come to us for financial advice. Just like when you go to your doctor for medical advice. Hindi dapat pagbebenta lang ng insurance ang alam mo. Grow yourself so that you can better serve your clients. Number two, prospecting and leads generation. You need to get your own clients, especially if you don't work in the bank. A main part of this job is to have a steady flow of clients you can talk to. You should have a list of names. We can get that from our personal network, their referrals, and pwede rin sa social media. Dito I learned to build a better relationship with people and take care of them. Kasi alam ko, pwedeng makakuha ng future sale or referrals from them. Number three is setting appointments. Most days you should be calling or visiting people to set appointments. Ideally, you're talking to people every single day about the importance of financial planning. So dapat lagi kang may appointment. Hindi necessarily benta agad. Appointment, talk to people. Number four, know your customer and educate. You should not be product pushing. Maraming advisors ang gumagawa nito kaya nasisira ang industry. Ang dapat parang doktor, no judgment. What you should do is to ask questions and be genuinely interested about the goals and the needs of your clients. Kasabay na dito yung pag-educate at pag-share ng mga bagay na natutunan mo sa training. But mainly you should be asking questions to understand ano talaga ang makakatulong sa clients mo. Have your clients' needs first before your own. Number five, client servicing. Kapag bumili na ang client, your service shouldn't stop there. Giving policy reviews and updates with your clients, always being responsive when they contact you for questions, or much better, be proactive in inviting your clients to meet you again after 1 or 2 years so you can check their progress and update their needs. Ideally, till death, do us part ang commitment mo dito since our products addresses future needs pa. And number six, recruit and train people in your team. This is a bonus task, hindi ito para sa lahat. If you want to build a big and sustainable business, para sa'yo to. Merong career path when you can be promoted to a manager or even manager of managers. Ang malaki ang income potential lalo na if you decide to build your own team because you earn for your own sales and then sa sales nila. Now, if nagustuhan mo ang trabaho ng isang financial advisor and you see yourself doing these things I mentioned, why not give it a try? Send me a message and let's work together sa team ko sa AIA.